Hi, my name is Tom Stewart, and I'm the director of the PhD program at the University of Virginia in the School of Data Science. The goal of our PhD program is to create leaders, the next generation of innovative data scientists, where in a master's degree you learn how to implement tools that already exist. In a PhD, you're tasked with building new tools, whether that's in analytics, whether that's in systems, whether that's in data society, or whether that's in design and human-computer interaction. Our PhD program is for individuals who are excited about building something new. We are looking for individuals that are excited about data science and are excited about doing innovation in data science. And we welcome individuals from all different types of backgrounds. We have students from computer science, we have students from statistics, we have students from engineering, the backgrounds that you might expect would be attracted to a degree in data science. But we also welcome and encourage students from other backgrounds to apply. We have students who come to us from a policy background, and we have students who come to us from a mathematics background. While there are definitely certain skills that are valuable and are good preparation for a PhD in data science, we tend to be very open-minded about our incoming students, and we evaluate students holistically. I want students who are not satisfied with the black box. I want our PhD students to rip open the box and be excited to explain to the world how they actually work and identify how we can make them better. The prerequisites for our program are programming, statistics, and calculus, and linear algebra. And you don't have to have completed those courses to apply to the program, but if we accept you into the program, you'll need to complete those courses before you matriculate. Our program is known for the 4+1 model. That's where we take data science and organize it into individual components: an analytics component, a systems component, a design component, and a data society component. And at the center of that model is practice, because everything that we do is connected to real-world problems, whether it be in healthcare, whether it be in sports, whether it be in business. As a student, you're going to get your hands dirty in the data. It's very much a practice-focused degree in the sense that all of the theory that we might develop and all of the frameworks we might develop are all about making a change to real-world problems. We set up our students for success in this program. We want to get our students into research early. We want them to get connected with faculty mentors. We want them to get connected with faculty research labs. And we start that in the very first semester of the program. This creates an environment where students can learn from their fellow peers in their research labs, and they can also learn from their fellow peers in their coursework. Students who come to us with a master's degree will typically have 1 year of coursework. Students who come to us with an undergraduate degree will have 2 years of coursework. That first year of coursework for those with an undergraduate degree will be comparable to what you might experience at a master's degree. And then that second year, or that first year if you come to us with a master's, is our PhD curriculum. For the analytics component, we have a deep learning course. The second required class is a distributed computing course, which is all about the systems that we use in order to manage and analyze data. The third required course is a design course, which is all about human-computer interaction. And our fourth required course is data and society, which looks at how these data technologies impact the societies and populations around us. In addition to that coursework, you'll have the opportunity to take electives, and we're very open-minded about electives. If there is a course in the School of Data Science or elsewhere at the university that relates to your research and supports your research, we encourage you to choose those courses for your electives. One of the most common questions I get is, what is a dissertation in data science? A dissertation in data science is all about changing the practice of data science in some way. Stop doing X and start doing Y. So in analytics, You might say, hey, stop using this particular algorithm or method and start using this new method that we've developed. And let me persuade you why that is. The dissertation is a mentored experience, right? You will work with a mentorship team who will guide you in that process. And then as you develop and grow, their contributions will become less and less, and they'll step back and allow you to fully flourish and become the innovator that we hope that you'll become. Data science is a large community, and the faculty here in the School of Data Science are prominent members of that community. And they understand how difficult the research process is. They understand that there's going to be failure, that there's going to be moments of success. They've gone through that experience themselves. And so our program is all about creating an environment where students can be mentored by faculty to do meaningful research that impacts the rest of the world. A PhD in data science from the University of Virginia opens doors. Because data is going to be such an important part of the future, the skills and tools that we learn here are going to be a big part of the jobs of the future. There's going to be opportunities in AI. There's going to be opportunities related to the policy surrounding AI. There's going to be opportunities related to data collection and the policies related to data collection. There's going to be a lot of work to be done. And our goal here in the PhD program is to create an environment where you as a student can become the researcher that you want to become in the field of data science. If you're interested in learning more, you can contact me. I'd love to talk to you about our program and the experience that you might have as a student. There's also plenty of information online. We are a welcoming group. This is a school without walls, and we're excited about the opportunities that we have here for our students, and we'd love you to be a part of it.